Rogue ZRP officer arrested after stealing police vehicle, ordering Chinese nationals to leave Zimbabwe. The 15th of August 2025, Harare, in a dramatic turn of events, Assistant Inspector mnangagwa, who controversially declared himself in charge of the Zimbabwe Republic Police, ZRP, has been arrested following allegations that he stole an official police Ford Ranger vehicle from ZRP headquarters. According to police sources, the incident triggered an urgent directive to all stations in Mashonaland East to mount roadblocks in a bid to intercept both mnangagwa and the stolen vehicle. Before his arrest, mnangagwa appeared in a circulating video vehemently denying the theft allegations while making inflammatory statements ordering all Chinese nationals to leave Zimbabwe within 48 hours. He warned that any attempts to arrest him could lead to unrest, saying, "Hapana munhu anaroa, vanhu vachifamba zivakanaka, vagabuda, if you really love your country, support me." His actions and statements quickly sparked public debate, with some expressing shock at the audacity of his claims, while others condemned the remarks as reckless and damaging. Police have since confirmed that mnangagwa is in custody, and investigations into both the alleged vehicle theft and his public declarations are ongoing. Authorities have not yet disclosed possible charges or the circumstances of his arrest. The incident has raised questions about internal discipline within the force, as well as concerns over how rogue officers can use social media to broadcast unauthorized and politically sensitive messages. Stay tuned for more updates as this story develops.